above the clouds, set amidst a landscape of enchanted natural beauty. From the highest point in Saudi Arabia, a luxury mountain destination. An elevated haven 3,015 meters above the sea, offering abundant indulgence, adventure, and more. A vibrant mix of hotels, boutique retail shops, fine dining, and upscale residential communities set within a preserved cultural landscape. Golfers can indulge in the greens with breathtaking views. For thrilling experiences and adventure, surrounded by stunning views, a place to unleash your adventurous spirit or restore your tranquility. Removed from the action, amidst a lush plantation of juniper trees, are secluded luxury second homes. Wellness spa and yoga pavilion that will provide you with a place to replenish body and mind. Winding through heritage sites and natural terraces, a genuine escape from urban life, this preserved cultural landscape is filled with unexpected pleasures. From fine dining adventures at organic farms, to indulging yourself in tasting locally produced coffee and honey. Blending past, present, and the future. A unique opportunity to experience the region's authentic culture and heritage hidden gems. Within a natural park and overlooking Red Rock Mountain. A retreat for nature and wildlife lovers. Winding hiking paths, horse riding trails, and mountain biking, all immersed in unique hospitality and dining experiences that celebrates the preservation of this extraordinary landscape. A new, unparalleled destination above the clouds. Discover Soudah Peaks.